Look.
More bubble, please, my daddy.
More bubble, please, my daddy. More bubble, please, my daddy. Oh, lagi mag-ilog si my daddy lagi. Welcome back sa ating channel. It's already 6 o'clock ng gabi and pasensya na ngayon lang tayo nakapag-vlog kasi alam niyo guys, it's super busy sa work and I've been really stressed. Parang na-overwhelm ako sa work kasi sobrang daming trabaho and kakauwi lang pala namin. Pinick up namin si Paris from a childcare and nandito na siya guys. Come here. Yes. Ayan siya guys. Yes, Baba. What would you like?
Green bubble.
Green bubble? We'll have to find it, honey. Ayan na siya, guys. Oh, ito yung suot. Yeah, the big one. Ito yung suot niya today. Ayan na yung binili namin sa Kmart, guys, na dress. It looks so nice on her. Ayan. Tapos, naka-jacket lang dyan siya before. Oh, you're sleeping? Sleeping? Huh? CD down? CD down? Mama, CD down?
Mommy, come.
Come. Why, honey?
My CD down.
Oh, CD down. Ayan siya, guys. Oh.
Mommy, CD down. My CD down.
Say hello lagi.
My seat.
Sitting down.
What is it, honey?
Didi.
Kaya pala, mag-sit down kasi mag-didi pala siya.
Didi.
What do you say?
Please.
Please. Sure siyang bulingit nga bata.
Mommy.
Ayan si Mike, guys. Oh. Nag-stop po na kami sa Coles para bumili nito. Si Mike lang pala. What's this one?
Is that your chicken bones you bought? Like 2 weeks ago?
No. It's fun.
Is it?
Yeah, it doesn't smell. It's so fun. And, yeah, ito guys. Hindi pala, si Mike lang yung nag-stop din guys kasi si Paris sa sasakyan sa... And ito yung pinabili ko kay Mike for dinner guys. Oh, ito lang. Ewan ko kung anong lulutuin niya pero alam niyo naman yan siya is very healthy. Kaya ito yung gusto ko. Nag-drive ako nito guys. Vietnamese siya na soup pero nasa packet lang siya. Masarap to siya. What's that? We got avocado. What's that, Daddy? Oh, almonds. Almonds. So, guys, oh. $2.44 for, wala na guys siya na gramo. Hindi po siya 1 gramo. We've got mandarins. What else have we got in there, Daddy? What's that?
Hot dogs.
Kransky. Cheese Kransky. It's a big hot dog, guys. It's jumbo hot dog. Katawa man siya. What's this one? Steaks. What's else? No more potatoes. And that's it. Is that all, Daddy? Potatoes. Yan. Hello, Miss Paris. Can I please have some tea?
But the cheese is a number.
Yeah. Yeah. Can I have one, please?
And you got sprayer?
Yeah. Put some on mine. From here.
And this.
Yeah. Can I have one, please?
We have a spoon, Mommy.
Oh, a spoon. Okay. What's the color of your spoon?
Pink.
Pink. Wow. Ito yung binili ng daddy niya, guys. So, from the Asian shop the other night. Kasi, iwan ko sa daddy niya, guys. Gusto daw niyang i-surprise si Paris. Pinick up namin siya sa childcare. Tapos, dinala ni Mike dun. Pagkalabas ni Paris, meron na siyang ganito. Oh. Sabi ko, huwag masyadong spoiled ang anak kasi naku. Every time, gusto palaging may surprise, may surprise. And this is one of Paris's favorite toy din, guys. Yung mga tea set. Gustong-gusto niya talaga yung mga ganyan. Nak, give one to Mama Nakbi. Nak. Yeah, basa na po kay ka, Nak. Very noisy si Daddy sa background, guys. Uy, kasi may kausap siya sa telepono. Give me one, please, Paris. Give me one, please. This one, please.
Of course.
Of course. 1, 2, 3. More, please. More, please. Thank you.
He's so free, Mommy.
Thank you, honey. Thank you, baby. What do you say when I say thank you, honey?
That's you, Mommy.
No, I said thank you to you. You say you're welcome, mommy.
You're welcome, Mommy.
Okay. Tapos ko lang mag-dinner, guys. Ayan, naglalaro si Paris ng bubbles niya. Wow! Well done, princess! And nanonood pala ako ng video ng ano ko, guys. Oh, friendship ko. Ayan, yung darling niya. Ayan, check nyo yung YouTube account niya, guys. Just yung pangalan ng ng YouTube account niya. Ayan. Just watching it. But, ayan, oh, meron din akong bata-batuta dito. Wow. 1, 2. You have to count now.
Come, Mommy.
Yeah, okay. Baby, ready? Steady? No, pagay na. Ready, steady, pagay na. Ready? Steady? Woo! Catch. Catch, catch. Catch, catch.
Get Mommy, get Mommy.
Whoa!
Look, look, look.
Mommy.
Get Mommy.
Look.
Look! Wow! Whoa! Ang balingit. Awat-awat po doon. Wow!
Daddy.
Ah! More bubble, please, my daddy. More bubble, please, my daddy. Wala lagi mag-ilog si my daddy lagi. Ah!
Nose!
Nose!
Get your nose? Yeah. Oh! I'm hurting the teeth. That's Mama's toothbrush. That's why. Give it to Mama. Thank you. Baby, brush the teeth. Good girl. Brush, brush, brush. 3 times a day. Brush, brush, brush. Hello. We're getting ready for bed. Ang mata gahiloy na is, it's already 9:30. Sige na. Naka mag-wash pag face.
Brush your teeth.
Yeah. In the morning, brush your teeth. Show your teeth, babe. Show your teeth. Show your teeth ba?
Wow. Well done, Baba. You're really good at brushing your teeth. Sige na, come on, sweet ba?
No.
Bata. Come on now, we'll put the clothes on now. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir.
No. This is it.
Where is Paris? I can't find Paris. There she is! Where is Paris? Where is Paris?
No, mommy. This one is Paris.
Time check tayo. It is currently 11:27 na ng gabi. And ngayon lang ako ulit naka-vlog, guys, kasi pinatulog ko pa si Paris. And alam nyo, guys, kailangan kong mag-overtime today kasi kaninang umaga pala, medyo natagalan akong dalhin si Paris sa childcare. So, start ko kasi sa work, guys, is 8:30 ng umaga. Tapos, medyo na-late yung pagdala ko kay Paris sa childcare, guys. Kaya, nag-message ako sa manager ko. Sabi ko, mag-start lang ako ng 9 o'clock. Kaya, na-late ako ng 30 minutes sa umaga, guys. Kaya sabi ko, ika-cover ko siya sa gabi. And yun yung ginawa ko, guys. Kaya ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog ulit. And, hinilamusan ko na pala yung mukha ko, guys. Kaya ganito yung aura natin. But, magna-night skincare routine na lang muna tayo. Tapos, check ka. Alam nyo na. So, ito pala yung ginagamit ko na guys. So, cleanser, Eskinol, and luckily, meron kaming mga dito, guys, yung mga Filipino shop man na nagbebenta ng mga ganito. Kasi, hiyang pa rin yung skin ko, guys, sa mga ganyan. Mga produktong galing Pinas. Char. Tagalog. But yeah, yun nga, guys. Kailangan kong i-cover yung time. So, nag-overtime si ate nyo. Kahit nag-overtime sa ate nyo, guys, the same pa rin yung sweldo. Dito kasi sa Australia, guys, depende yun sa work mo. Depende sa agreement ng employee tsaka ng employer. Yung sa akin kasi, guys, yung salary ko is packaged na siya. So, even though mag-stay ako ng late, mag-overtime ako, mga ganun-ganun, the same pa rin yung sweldo ko, guys. O kahit mag-start ako ng late, the same pa rin. Walang mag-change sa sweldo ko. Pero may ibang mga work din naman dito, guys, na pag nag-overtime ka, may double yung rate, yung mga ganun. Pero, sa work ko, guys, agreement namin is, package na yung salary. But kasi, mabait lang talaga ako, guys. Char. Mabait lang talaga ako, kaya, kahit nag-start ako ng medyo late kanina, kinover ko naman siya sa gabi. Kasi pag hindi ko siya kinover, guys, if I don't make up the time, ako rin ang mabubugatan. Babagsak din sa akin lahat bukas, guys. Kasi dadami yung trabaho ko for tomorrow. So, it's good na gamitin ko yung time para bukas hindi siya masyadong stressful. Toner pala yung nilagay ko, guys, after the cleanser. Ayan. Yung alam ko, guys, sa mga construction or yung mga nurse, yung mga ganyan na mga trabaho, guys. Obviously, pag nag-overtime ka, you'll get more money. Sa work ko, guys, walang ganyan. But even though wala kaming mga overtime pay na mga ganun, that doesn't stop me from doing overtime sa work, guys. Kasi nga, as I mentioned before, pag nafe-feel ko na heavy na yung workload ko, guys, it's good na I'll do some tonight para bukas hindi ako masyadong mabigatan. And sometimes, guys, it's not all about the pay, the salary. Minsan, guys, it's all about work ethics. Kung anong klase kang worker, kung you love your job or you're just there because they're paying you. Depende yun sa pagkatao mo, guys. Kung anong klaseng trabahante ikaw. So, yung gagawin natin next, guys, is this, night cream. And yung ginagamit ko na night cream, guys, is the one from Olay. Regenerate, Revitalizing Night Cream. Ayan. Pasensya na pala, guys, kung, ewan ko, kung hindi ko alam kung nagpo-focus ako or hindi. Kasi hindi ko kayo kita, guys. Alam niyo naman si ate nyo, kailangan mag-glasses or contact lens. Pero wala akong contact lens now, guys, and wala akong glasses. So, hindi ako nakakakita, guys, ha? So, patawarin nyo ang puso kung nagkamali. Patawarin nyo, guys, pag na out of focus kayo dyan, tapos hindi ko halata. Kasi hindi ko makita-kita. Guys, ay, yung mata ko talaga is getting really bad na. Yan. Tapos, guys, matutulog na tayo after nito. Ayan, lagalan tayo ng cream sa buong mukha. Tapos, lagyan din natin yung leeg. Ayan. I really like this cream, guys, kasi very light lang siya sa skin. May mga cream ako na na-try before. It feels very greasy. Napapansin nyo ba, guys? Yung boses ko is parang matutulog na, guys. Yeah, very tiring, guys. Uy, very busy sa work. Sobrang busy. Siguro wala pang balita, guys, kung kailan kami babalik ng opisina. Mga ano pa daw, maybe by the end of June, meron na kaming balita. But for now, we'll keep working from home. The last thing na ating i-apply, guys, sa ating kamukhaan. Hindi pala sa mukha talaga, guys. Ginagamit ko tong lash serum, guys. Kasi, ayan yung guys, para akong walang pilok, guys. Kaya, ginagamit ko to siya pag naisip ko. Dapat sana every night, guys. Pero, minsan, guys, nakakalimutan ko na. So, natapos ng ating routine, guys. Kunuhay. So, yung gagawin natin ngayon ay shoutout lang ako, guys, para sa ating mga mahal na subscribers. Maraming salamat sa mga bagong subscribers natin. Sana na-i-enjoy nyo yung stay sa bahay natin and sana wag nyo akong iwanan. Shoutout to Rosario Saballe, Marilyn Drudge, Kimberly Lapornina, shoutout. It's Kathy's Blog, Majoy Lasas, hello, shoutout. James Rodolph Anuver, hello. Shout out to Sis Choco TV, La Arnie TV, Rosemary Ramoir, Diana Jane Bravo, hello, shout out. Shout out to Joanne Ambe, to my Friendship Lawless family, hello, Dai. Christy Tumayan, Christine Joy Tabak, Joy Pangan, Israel Villarosa, Jess Shill, hello, Dai. Shout out to Mirasol Dayao. Shout out to Red Sibial, Lohan Pasadas, Maribel Patiag, Raymark Arts and Crafts, hello. Shout out to Marife Cabanero. Shout out to Sofia Mangilin. Shout out to Jocelyn Lituanias, Rizalyn May Bating, Odessa Dunghil, Donna Ladera, Ginia Dollar. Shout out to Richard Antiga. Shout out to Mary Jane Subere, Amy and Anthony, hello, Dai. Shout out to Filipino-British Couple Vlogs, Ginaline's World, hello. Shout out to Rosette Paciente, April Rose Romero, Janet Gordon, Amber Kikai's World, Junray and Gina Gikan, Joyce Ryuyan, Gwyn Christensen, hello, sis. Shout out to Bing Salvisalan. And shout out to Enicel Flores, new subscriber daw siya. And shout out to Davy and Eloy Flores from Surigao City, Philippines. Ayan. Shout out to Luhan Pasadas, Jane Solitario, PKB, hello, CCB. Shout out to Blessed Mom's Life, Mika and Sky, Zyril Ko. Shout out to Introvert Gail and Remedios Basilio. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I really hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye!